who say your overripe banana cannot be useful? Come closer, let me show you how you can use your overripe banana to make something delicious. So here is two banana, overripe banana for that matter. Yeah, overripe banana and egg, 2 eggs. Mix it together thoroughly, just like I'm doing here in this video. Make sure it's properly mixed. Match it together. Whisk the egg together with the banana. Take your time and give it a thorough and a nice mix. Mix it properly until it's very, very smooth. Guys, if you have not subscribed to my channel, I want you to do so. Hit the notification bell so that whenever I upload any video, you'll definitely be the first to receive notification about my video. I want you to give this video a thumbs up, and I want you to comment in the comment section, love this recipe, if you love this recipe, so that I can do more of this recipe. So continue to mix your banana and your egg. Make sure it's properly mixed. Mix it until it's very, very smooth. Make sure there is no lump in it. And we get our oatmeal. Yes, we're going to be using oatmeal today. Oatmeal is very, very healthy. You'll be needing 1.5 cup of oatmeal grain. And blend it very well until it's very, very smooth. Keep blending your oatmeal. Make sure it's properly smooth. It's powdering. So guys, this recipe is good for breakfast. So pour your oatmeal in already mixed egg and banana and continue to mix it. Give it a thorough and a nice mix. Make sure everything is properly mixed together. Go in with your butter. This is melted butter, and keep mixing it. As you can see, it still have lumps. I'm just going to continue to mix it until there is nothing like lump. Until everything is smooth, we achieve a very soft and a very smooth consistency in the mixture. Take your time, guys, to mix it very well. If it's thoroughly mixed and well mixed, when you make this recipe, it will come out nice. But if it's not thoroughly and nicely mixed, when you make it, you probably will not like it. So that's why we're taking our time to make sure we mix it. Right now, I just added our baking powder and I continue to mix it. So guys, tell me what you think about this recipe in the comment section, and I'll be responding to your questions in a timely manner. So we continue to give this lovely recipe a nice and a thorough mix until we get that mixture we want. So right now I put in my raisins brown. Yeah, it's very soft, very, very soft now. Yeah, the texture is so soft, it's so smooth. I mix it again, mixing the raisins brown. Make sure that it goes around the mixture. So here I'm putting all of this in a baking pan. I already greased this baking pan so that the dough or the bread will not stick to the pan when we're done baking it. So I'm trying to make sure that I get all the mixture. Oh my god, look at how nice this looks. See how beautiful this looks. This is soft, this is good for breakfast, guys. This bread is given. So guys, if you have watched up until this moment, click the notification bell. Once again, subscribe to this channel, and we'll be making more of this recipe. If you come and love this recipe, love you guys, and see you guys in my next video. Remember to comment love this recipe. Until I see you guys again, tell me what you think about this lovely bread. Let me know in the comment section, and bye guys. Ciao.